I'm back. And bank 1, sensor 1. I'm getting a reading on that. I don't know if that's just crazy or if it's supposed to look like that. Okay, bank 1 says 0 voltage. Sensor 2, red line, no, green line, sorry. Okay, then we have bank 2, sensor 1, and I got a reading on that. So why is there no reading there? Anybody? That one looks a little squirrely. That one's doing nothing. So am I to think that I have a bad oxygen sensor? Or is that supposed to be that way? I wouldn't think so. Because that's showing 0 voltage. And all the other ones are showing voltage. So, there you go. I think I'm going to go crazy. But, that's an easy fix. If that's what it is. Anybody have any ideas? Help, 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 help. Now, that bank 1, sensor 1 is reading nothing. Bank 1, sensor 2 is reading nothing. Bank 2, sensor 1 has got voltage. I'm so confused. Okay. I'm still running around 1,000 RPMs. Really sucks because it runs good. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here.